behind now. There you go. Stay on. Stay on.
Next up on mat 1, North Bay Haven versus McCullough. North Bay Haven and McCullough.
Head in the side. Cradle, cradle. Hey, Oklahoma. Woo. There you go. Go out the back door now.
Grab the wrist with the right hand.
Work your hips the other way. Get it flat. Get that leg flat. Get that leg flat. Work up. Stay elevated. Come out the back. Come out the back. Come out the back for 2 right here. Keep that leg. Don't let it go.
Shake it. Pop him up. Pop him up.
Oh, man. Don't give up a stalemate right there. Work what's there. Don't force it. Watch that. Watch that. Push on the head. Nah. Set it up. Angles. Set it up. Let's go. Start over. Switch. Switch. Keep what you got. Keep what you got. Reach through the crotch.
Go underneath. Go underneath if you can.
Keep going. Keep going. Get the other leg. There you go. There you go. Let the other one go now. Now come and pass it. Pass it right here.
Keep tipping over.
Get the head. Get the head. No. 6 seconds. Watch the arm. Hey, you're down by 1. His legs. Watch the legs. I say down.
All the way to the side. I think you can take him down several times.
Let's go, angles. Let's go. Come on, it's time to wrestle.
I'm just afraid he gets on the bottom again. He gets turn, he gives up a couple points.
Hey, you're not a target. Let's move.
Put your head down.
Hand fight, move.
His elbows are down.
Pick,
Take
pick.
his hand to the mat. Control that wrist. Go the other way with it. If you go to shuck it one way, it's not there. The other way is.
If you're going to go with it, go all the way. There you go. Trip. All right, there it is. There it is. Hand on the head.
Elevate that. You got to get that up higher.
Duck, duck. There it is. There it is. Put your hand on the head. No.
Drive.
Squeeze. Put your weight on him. Come on,
There
squeeze.
you go.
Squeeze. There you go. Put your weight on